are at Mount Barney again. We've just finished the third search for the drone, and I can officially declare the mountain has won. You take a look at some of these shots of us trying to search for the drone.
In the wind gust, that is. Now it's settled down. And those wind gusts are pretty
It's amazing, the dead silence apart from those bellbirds. Great snake territory. He wants to join me with all these deadly brown snakes. Yep.
GPS data for the next result. I'll just let you go on here.
Right, mate. Whoop. All these trees, they're thick as, with these little rock ledges and loose and rock stones, so it's a little bit of fun trying to find this drone. Just down on the next ledge down. There's another drop off there, you can see the little ledge there. And there's Mount Barney there. You can see Ed over there.
How you going there, Rob?
Time for a water. This is hard work. Give you an idea of what I'm talking about. And there's the edge of the cliff way up there. This is Yellow Pinch Lookout. There's Mount Lindsay, Ernest Peak, looking down into the Logan Valley. There's the almighty Mount Barney. And you can see the cliff face here. If you look all the way down there, that's where we were for the last 3 hours trying to find that bloody drone without any success.